4,
Again, I forgot to press recording. This is the second time we are doing this.
8,
Earlier
9,
we did some
10,
calf raises,
last 10, 9,
shoulder rotations,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
and some hopping.
2,
But since the
and
phone
1.
storage
Good
was
job.
full,
And relax.
I
Shake
had
your legs
to
again.
delete. And
Okay.
in that,
So,
yes, I forgot to
remember we had done the exercise using the
press
block
the
or bottle.
recording.
So, we will try doing that today again. Okay. So, you can get a block or a bottle, or if you don't have either of them, we had also tried a dupatta. So, जो भी आपको comfortable हो, and we will again repeat that. So, bring it on your elbows के साथ push करें. Yes, you have a choice. You can either clasp your hands or you can keep it like this. It's okay. कुछ भी चलेगा. And you take it up and bring it down. Okay, as high as you can. जितना आप आराम से गर्दन सीधे रखते हुए लेके जा सकते हैं, लेके जाएं, and then bring it down. Got it? Let's go. I'm sure आप लोगों के पास होगा because we had asked you to get it पहले only. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep breathing. 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold it up and pulse up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly relax. Excellent. And relax. Breathe long and deep. You can feel this all the way in your biceps, in the upper back muscles. Yes? Amazing. All right. Tricep curls. So, hand, you can hold the bottle or the block in your hand like this, and elbows pointing up, look straight. सीधे देखना है, and let's go. 1, 2, keep pressing the block or the bottle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And relax. Bring your hands down and release. You can keep the block away. Oh, sorry. Keep the bottle in your hand. One more last thing we'll do is a back bend triangle.
You always keep forgetting.
So what do you have to do is hold the bottle or the block in one hand. एक हाथ में अपना bottle या block पकड़ लेंगे. You will push your waist forward and take this hand behind. So watch. Very important, distance between your feet should be a little more. पैरों में अंतर बनाए रखें so that you can go back easily. Also, while going back, it is important that you slightly bend your knee. घुटनों का थोड़ा सा सहारा लेना भी जरूरी है. Okay, so slightly bend your knee. It's not necessary you have to keep your knees absolutely straight. In fact, नहीं रखना चाहिए knees एकदम straight when you are doing a back bend. Okay, so unless and until you are doing it in Tadasana, वो अलग बात है. But otherwise, you can, if you are taking a deep back bend, then हल्का सा bend is important for support. Okay, so you go all the way back and try to take your hand back like this. 1, and then you switch and the other side. 2, then you switch and the other side. 3. Now जितना आप कर सको उतना ही करो. If you can just go until here, it's enough. You choose your best range. Okay. Second, if you have back issues, naturally you will not do this. Okay. If you have back issues, you continue walking. आप walking करना चालू रखें. For others, let's go. 1, 2. Every time you are going back, try. Okay. हो सके तो अगर चक्कर जैसे आए तो मत करें. बट अगर हो सके तो ट्राई टू कीप योर गेज टुवर्ड्स द बैक वॉल. जो पीछे का वॉल है अपनी दृष्टि को उस पे लगाने की कोशिश करना. ओके.
लेट्स बेंड कौन कर सकता है?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. You can release the bottle or the block and just hold your elbow and fold forward. बस you just have to release your spine. Basically back bend के बाद हम लोग एक just counteract कर रहे हैं to release the spinal tension. So just be there very gently. No force, no pressure. Just rock from side to side. 1, 2. Keep breathing. नाक से सांस लेते और छोड़ते रहे. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back to the center. Breathing in, come up. Good job. Our Surya Namaskars are left. So let's do that first, because after that we will try one more back bending using the wall, and then we will try the transition of first going from downward dog to Chamatkarasana, and then those who know how to do Chakrasana, you can attempt the Chakrasana also. ठीक है. तो पहले हम सूर्य नमस्कार कर लेते हैं. Again 1 minute सूर्य नमस्कार at your own pace, अपने गति पे. No hard and fast rule of doing fast or slow. Slow, fast, chair mat version कुछ भी चलेगा. Let's go. Let's take positions. Namaste. Let's go down to sun god. सूर्य देवता को कोटि-कोटि प्रणाम. And let's begin. खुद के गति पे चालू रखें. Start right side से करेंगे. You will start from the right. Let's go. Keep breathing from the nose. Thirty seconds left. Make this as your last round from the left. लेफ्ट साइड से लास्ट राउंड करके विश्राम करें एंड ब्रीथ इन, breathe out. You can close your eyes and just take long deep breaths in through the nose and out from the mouth. नाक से सांस ले, मुंह से सांस छोड़े. Breathe in nose, breathe out mouth long and deep. Breathe in nose for the count of 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out mouth for the count of 8. 8 की गिनती तक बाहर सांस छोड़ेंगे मुंह से. ट्राई करें एटलीस्ट. आउट 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time. Breathe in nose. 2, 3, 4. Out mouth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. And slowly open your eyes. धीरे से आंखें खोल लें. All right. Now, what transition we want to try on the mat? We will first try doing it on the wall. So what does that mean? That we will first try going from a downward facing dog and going into a chakrasan on the wall. Again come back to downward facing dog. हम लोग लेग की मूवमेंट नहीं करेंगे. We will try doing it only with the hand. Okay? So you will understand your hand movement. If I am here, I am into a downward facing dog over here on the wall. Suppose ये मेरा wall है. Okay? What I do is, the hand that has to move. Okay? So हम एक हाथ ऊपर लेते हैं. What do we do generally is, we take one leg up and then we take it other side. So जो पैर नीचे होता है वही हाथ नीचे होता है, right? So automatically the hand that is down, it needs to turn inside, right? So what do you have to do is, you have to first get that grip of your hand once the finger is facing towards you, right? And then you have to again turn and go into a back bend. This chair is moving, that's why I'm not going all the way down, but that's exactly what I mean to show on the wall. Got it? And then you again turn. So your finger has to be facing downwards. You see that?
Yeah.
Doing this and then going behind. First try just transitioning this with your finger facing downwards. तो बॉडी को थोड़ी सी आदत होगी कि फिंगर जब खुद को फेस हो रहा है आप ट्रांजिशन कर पा रहे. ओके, सो लेट्स ट्राई दिस 10 times first, but don't do it on the chair. Chair is a little risky. It will still move even if it is close to a wall because it might go to the side. So do not do it with a chair, do it with a wall. Okay? This is only if you know how to do Chakrasan. I am repeating this n number of times because going into a Chakrasan is a different process altogether, which I cannot teach you because I cannot see you. Yes? So I am sure you understand that. Those who know how to do Chakrasan and want to transition from one asana to other, that I can guide you through, which we are trying. Got it? All right. Let's go. So place your one hand down with, and now even if you are not going to transition into a Chakrasan, it's okay. You can try doing this. Try to place your fingers down, push your waist forward and you just take your hand up. Okay? And then you turn and you push your fingers down and you take your hand up. This is for those who don't know to do Chakrasan. ठीक है? आप खाली इतना ही movement try करेंगे, even on the wall. Okay? Let's go. Those who know can take the full drop. Let's go. 1, 2.
Oh, so you are not.
3. I know we are not shifting to downward dog. वो साथ में करेंगे. पहले ये 10 times खाली back bend करते हैं. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now see if you can transition to downward facing dog. Now, watch. As soon as I transition to downward facing dog, my fingers started facing upwards. Okay? So this is the movement that we need to catch hold of. The wrist movement of fingers facing down and then up. But यहाँ पे मैं हाथ को उठा सकी, वहाँ पे I'll have to do it as it is, right? We want to go from here and without lifting your hands up, here. Got it? So let's practice this 5 times from downward dog to a back bend with fingers pointing down. Let's go. 1, and point your fingers down, turn around. 1. Other side, downward dog, 2, and transition. 2, and 3, and back bend, 3, 4, and back bend, 4, one last time, 5, and back bend, 5, and come back to downward facing dog on the wall and hold it. Keep pushing your shoulders away from the ears. कानों को कंधों से दूर push करें and relax your spine. Very important to relax your spine. You can do the same thing using a chair. Keep pushing your ears away from the elbows or your biceps and hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Slowly relax. Vishram kare. Long deep breaths in and out through the nose. नाक से लंबी गहरी सांस ले और नाक से ही सांस छोड़े. All right. Come on your all fours. Cat cow. Cat cow position में आ जाए. Marjari asan. Yes. Breathe in. Look up. Arch your back. Breathe out. Push the floor away. Chin to the chest. सांस लेते हुए ऊपर देखें. कमर को थोड़ा सा आर्च करें. सांस छोड़ते हुए चिन को अपने छाती के पास लेके आए. ठुड्डी को छाती के पास. पुश द फ्लोर अवे. एंड 3 आउट. 4 out. 5 out. And come back to the center and move forward and back. Move forward and back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now fingers pointing towards you. हाथों के पंजों को अपनी तरफ फेस करें. Wrist is pointing forward, right? And you again go forward and without lifting your palm up, you go back. अपने palm को उठाना नहीं है. जितना भी पीछे जा सको पीछे जाओ and again go forward. 1, 2, 3. Keep breathing. नाक से सांस लेते और छोड़ते रहे. 4, 5, and now rotate forward, side, back, other side. 1, 2, core engaged. पेट को अंदर खींच के रखें. 3,
That hurts.
4, and 5, and reverse the direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. And relax your hands.
Ooh.
Both wrists together. दोनों wrists को साथ में लेके आए. Push your elbows down. We are relaxing these muscles over here. पास में आ जाती हूँ. Wrists close to each other. Push your elbows down. Nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. अब इसका उल्टा कर ले. नमस्ते. And push your elbows up. कोनियों को ऊपर प्रेस करें. 1, 2. ये करते समय don't lift your palm away. Okay? Palm एकदम ऐसे touching each other है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Rotate. Rotate. And reverse the direction. Just relax, relax. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly, let's go back to downward facing dog. Ready for the transition? Yes? So, first, understand the transition from downward facing dog to Chamatkarasana, which is also known as wild thing. It's okay, you don't need to remember names. नाम याद नहीं रहा तो कोई problem नहीं है. Lift your one leg up, right leg up, and you drop your right foot on the left side. So for that, bend the knee first. घुटने को bend कर ले, and you start dropping. Now when you are dropping, now these have to be simultaneous movements. ठीक है? आप जैसे ही drop करना चालू करते हो पैर को, जो हाथ नीचे है, right? You know you are going to lift the leg that you have lifted, the same hand will go up, right? तो पहले से ही जो हाथ जमीन पे रहने वाला है, जो मैट पे रहने वाला है, start bringing it inside, inside, inside. So much so कि पहले ही your wrists are facing your wrist is facing the foot. Okay? Now keep pressing this hand on the mat. Full अच्छा support ले लो उस हाथ का. And then drop and go all the way up. Now if you have reached here, then just be here. And if this is the max best, then maybe this is the best. Hold it. If possible, अगर हो सकता है, then continue, continue, continue and go into a chakrasan only if you know how to do the chakrasan. अगर आपको चक्रासन करने आता है तो ही आप ये ट्रांजिशन ट्राई करोगे and you will hold the chakrasan and be here. From here, you will first place your crown of the head down. सर की चोटी को आपको जमीन पे रखना है. Then your shoulder, कंधे को रखना है. Then your upper back, lower back, mid back. And then the entire body. Got it? From here, you will hold your knees, hold them and bring it close to your chest. You will relax your back. Got it? We will do this once again. मैं थोड़ा सा कैमरा को नीचे शिफ्ट कर लेती हूँ so that you can see it better. Just in case the transition was not very clear. Okay? So, let's go from downward facing dog to Chamatkarasana. Now, जिनको चक्रासन नहीं try करना है, for you it is okay even if you don't turn the fingers inside. ठीक है? Those who are not trying the chakrasan, जिनको नहीं हो रहा है, it's okay. And just from here lift it up and drop it and just be here. For you it is easier if you don't turn your hand. आपके लिए ज़्यादा आसान होगा अगर आप हाथ मूव ना करो. And you can just be here. Also the other important thing is जो पैर आपका जमीन पे रहता है, right? The leg that you lift is the one that folds. वो पैर fold हो जाता है. और जो जमीन पे रहता है वो straight रहता है. And then you be here. And from here you can again go back to downward facing dog. And from here go into child's pose. Okay, so depends what transition you are taking. आप डाउनवर्ड डॉग से चमत्कार आसन तक ही जा रहे हो कि आप उसके आगे चक्रासन भी ट्राई करने वाले हो. Only if I know मैं ये बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम बोल रही हूँ, but it is important, okay guys? Do not play around with your body if you don't have anyone guiding you through right in front of you. Okay? Visually, if I could see you, I would guide you through. But otherwise, मत try करना. Backaches, all those injuries are possible if you do it without guidance. Okay? So please be gentle. Let's try it one last time on the other side as well. Take positions. Lift up. Lift the other leg up. And bend your knee. Start going into Chamatkarasana. And maybe you want to be here and just hold it here. Let's hold this, all of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Maybe you want to try the transition now. So you will first take your hand inside and then go into the transition. Now also watch, जैसे ही मैंने चक्रासन के लिए try करना चालू किया, I started bending the leg that was straight, right? Then I moved, and then I put the other hand on the mat, right? So it is again something to be mindful about, that how are your legs moving, right? And then you go into the chakrasana and you hold it. And just be there as much as you can be. Here I am not giving the count. Keep breathing. And if you want to exit now, you can place the crown of your head. सर की चोटी पहले जाएगी जमीन पे. You will keep moving your foot forward. पैरों को थोड़ा आगे move करते जाओगे. And then your shoulder, upper back, mid back, lower back. Bring your knees close to your chest. Hug your knees. अच्छे से अपने घुटनों को हग करे, झप्पी दे दे, and you can just relax over here. Maybe you want to roll from side to side to relax your spine. Spine को relax करने के लिए side to side roll करें. Long deep breaths in and out through the nose. नाक से लंबी गहरी सांस ले और नाक से ही सांस छोड़े. All right. And from here, if you were here, then you very gradually hands in line with the shoulder, drop your knees to the right and drop your knees to the left. One more time, right and left. Markatasana. One last time, right, head facing the left. जो साइड में घुटना है आपका सर उसके ऑपोजिट साइड में होगा. And left. And slowly turn around and sit up. And relax. विश्राम करें. I know these transitions aren't very easy, but you do not have to get feverish about it, right? हमें उसमें कुछ भी बुरा लगने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो कुछ इतना हुआ, attempt किया, वो ही बहुत जरूरी है. Okay? So relax. You took the small steps that you had to, so congratulate yourself for that. मन ही मन खुद को शाबाशी दे उसके लिए. Okay? And now take long deep breaths. नाक से लंबी गहरी सांस ले, नाक से ही सांस छोड़े. Excellent. And now using your palm, okay? So what will you do is, using your palm, you will lift your eyebrow up. अपने आईब्रो को ऐसे ऊपर लिफ्ट करेंगे एंड यू विल फर्स्ट होल्ड इट फॉर 10 काउंट्स. नाउ व्हेन आई एम डूइंग दिस, नोटिस दैट आई एम नॉट क्रिएटिंग एनी फोल्ड लाइंस ओवर. मैंने यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा ऐसे फोल्ड लाइन नहीं क्रिएट किया, तो बस उतना ही प्रेशर के साथ लिफ्ट करें. ओके, एंड होल्ड इट ओवर योर 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can gently, using the opposite hand, index finger, just massage on the under the eyebrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Now don't release this hand. With this hand only, you will gradually take it up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Tuck on the hairline and release. If you notice, this already looks slightly lifted than this. Yes, this has to be done 3 to 4 times, but we are just doing it once. Other side, lift your eyebrow up. Try to keep your elbow lifted. नहीं हो पा रहा है तो जितना भी हो सके. Okay, back is straight. That is important. Smile on your face. That is also important. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now using your index finger, just swipe on the inner side of the eyebrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now lift with the palm that is up. जो palm ऊपर है उसी के साथ lift करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Good job. Excellent. Cup your hands. हाथों को ऐसे cup करें. You will press on your eye and release. So suction, eye suction कर रहे हैं हम लोग to reduce any dryness around the eyes, in the eyes. Also for a fresh eye, right? बहुत थकान हो जाती है. Eye muscles get strained with so much of watching the television or your laptops or your phones. Okay, so to relax them, it's very important. Let's go. Press and release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Now just close your eyes. आंखों close रखें and blink your eyes fast inside. तो आंखें बंद है और आप ऐसे, आंखें खुली है, सॉरी, हाथ ऐसे कवर्ड है, हाथों के साथ ऐसे कवर्ड है, and you're just opening and closing your eyes like this. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly close your eyes and gently release. Long deep breath into the nose. Breathe out through the nose. Slowly open your eyes. धीरे से आंखें खोल ले. All right. Now make a V with your finger like this, and you will just outline on above and below your lip like this, and you will lift it up. We are lifting the corners of our mouth up as well as doing a cheek lift. दोनों चीजें साथ में करने हैं. अपने drooping mouth अगर होंगे या नहीं भी होंगे, so it's a good thing to strengthen these muscles and take it up. Okay, and lift the cheeks up together. So go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now both hands up. Take it back behind the ears. Bring it down from the side. Press on the collarbone and release. Okay, good job. Now, last we will do is jawline sculpting. So, make a hook with your finger, knuckles like this, ऐसे. Okay, index finger and middle finger. You will press. So, one finger is above the chin, one below it. एक knuckle आपका chin के नीचे है, एक ऊपर है. And all you have to do is you have to outline it and take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And from the side you just come down on your SCM muscle. This is a very long muscle on your neck, but massaging it and keeping it soft is a good way to release tension and reduce any sagging on the neck. ठीक है, neck sagging होती है, so if this muscle is relaxed, then that sagging will reduce. Okay, so bring it down from the side, press on the collarbone, release, and now just press this muscle. So how will you come to know? जैसे मेरा दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, right? If you can't see yours, you just have to see instantly एकदम, or it started jutting out. Just place your right hand on the right side of your forehead and it will start jutting out, and now you start pressing it. 1, 2, 3, 4,
You're pinching, not
5,
pressing.
6, 7, keep breathing, 8, 9 and 10. Good job. And same thing on the other side. If you can't find the muscle, press on the forehead and it will instantly come out. Okay? And press. 1, 2, 3, be gentle, बहुत ही आराम से करें. 4, 5 and release. Excellent. And just overall facial tapping from inwards to outwards, sorry, right? Center से लेके बाहर तक, around your eyes, above your forehead, on the neck, chest, back of the neck, head, and excellent. All right. And now we will again adapt our Sandhi Mudra. Okay? We keep doing this mudra a lot because it's very good for your joint health. Okay? So, right hand, tip of the ring finger touching the tip of your thumb. Okay? Left hand, tip of the middle finger touching the tip of your thumb. Hands facing up and keep it on your thighs. Palms facing the ceiling. हथेलियों को गोद में रखना है, आसमान की ओर खुली. कंधों को ढीला छोड़े. Relax your shoulders and have a straight spine. रीढ़ की हड्डी को सीधा रखें. Have a big smile on your face. चेहरे पे एक बड़ी सी मुस्कुराहट बनाए रखें. Let's happily say this to ourselves. I am healthy, overloaded with joy, peace, love, bliss, faith, kindness, enthusiasm, and so much more. And I am here on this planet to share all my qualities and virtues across this entire globe. मुस्कुराते हुए खुद को बोले, मैं स्वस्थ हूँ, मैं प्यार, खुशी, शांति, श्रद्धा, उत्सुकता, विनम्रता, इन सारे गुणों और दुआओं से भरी हुई हूँ या भरा हुआ हूँ, जो मैं इस पूरे जग में बांटने आई हूँ या बांटने आया हूँ. Thank every single cell of your body for supporting you so beautifully. शरीर के कण कण को धन्यवाद बोले कि आपका इतना बढ़िया तरीके से साथ दे रही है. Let's be grateful to God for giving us this beautiful human life. उस परमात्मा के प्रति एक बहुत ही कृतज्ञ भाव कि आपको इतना प्यारा मानव जीवन दिया है. And let's be grateful to everyone around us. हमारे आसपास सभी व्यक्तियों के प्रति, सभी जीव जंतु, प्राणी, सब प्रकृति, सब के प्रति बहुत ही कृतज्ञ भाव. Joyful breath in through the nose With a big bright smile again, release the mudra. And whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. धीरे से चेहरे पे एक मुस्कुराहट रखें, मुद्रा को रिलीज करें और जब भी आपका मन करे आंखें खोल सकते हैं. All right.